Hello and welcome to everyone. Are you ready to redefine what's possible for your health and body? Imagine a life where you feel energized, focused, and in control. This isn't just a dream, it's an achievable reality. We're about to explore a powerful path to transformation that has helped countless individuals. This journey is about more than just shedding pounds. It's about unlocking your body's inherent ability to thrive. Get ready to discover how a simple dietary shift can lead to profound changes in your well-being. Your personal transformation story starts right here, right now. So, what exactly is a ketogenic diet? At its core, keto is a very low-carb, high-fat, moderate protein eating plan. The goal is to drastically reduce carbohydrate intake, typically to under 50 grams per day. This shift forces your body to find an alternative fuel source. Instead of relying on glucose from carbohydrates, your body begins to burn fat for energy. This metabolic state is called ketosis. When in ketosis, your liver produces ketones, which become your body's primary fuel. It's a natural, efficient way for your body to operate. When you limit carbs, your body depletes its glycogen stores. This signals your liver to start breaking down fat into ketone bodies. These ketones then circulate throughout your body, providing energy to your brain, muscles, and other organs. This metabolic flexibility is key. This process not only taps into your fat reserves but also stabilizes blood sugar levels. Stable blood sugar means fewer energy crashes and reduced cravings. It's a fundamental shift in how your body generates and utilizes its energy, leading to sustained vitality. Perhaps you've heard of keto for weight loss, and it certainly excels there. But the benefits extend far beyond the scale. Many people report increased mental clarity and focus. The brain thrives on ketones, leading to improved cognitive function. You might also experience more consistent energy levels throughout the day. Say goodbye to the afternoon slump often associated with carb-heavy meals. This sustained energy empowers you to live more fully. Keto can truly be a holistic upgrade for your health. Starting keto doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Prioritize healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts. Include moderate amounts of protein from sources like meat, fish, and eggs. Crucially, eliminate high-carb foods such as grains, sugars, and most fruits. Read food labels diligently to identify hidden carbs. Planning your meals in advance can make the transition much smoother. Hydration is also incredibly important on keto. The initial phase, often called the keto flu, might bring temporary symptoms like fatigue or headaches. This is your body adapting to its new fuel source. Electrolyte balance is vital during this period. Ensure adequate intake of sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Consistency is more important than perfection. Small, sustainable changes lead to lasting results. Remember, this is a journey of learning and adapting, not a race. Celebrate every step forward. Once you've achieved your initial goals, maintaining your keto lifestyle becomes easier. Focus on nutrient density and variety in your food choices. Continue to prioritize whole foods and healthy fats. Regular exercise will complement your dietary efforts. Consider incorporating intermittent fasting, which often pairs well with keto. This can further enhance fat burning and metabolic health. The key is to find a sustainable rhythm that fits your life. Keto is a powerful tool for long-term well-being. You now have the knowledge to embark on your own keto transformation. This isn't just about a diet, it's about reclaiming your health and vitality. Imagine the confidence that comes with feeling your best, inside and out. Take that first step today. Commit to understanding your body and fueling it optimally. Your journey to a more energized, focused, and empowered you is within reach. Embrace this opportunity to create the healthy, vibrant life you deserve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe the video for more health tips and information. See you in next video.